I tried Smart Portfolio app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Smart Portfolio claims to use data-driven insights to help you build a balanced investment strategy. I tested it for a week to see if it actually lived up to the hype. On day 1, I entered my goals: wealth growth and retirement savings. The app instantly created a recommended portfolio with stocks, ETFs and bonds tailored to my preferences. By day 3, I noticed how adaptive it was. As markets shifted, Smart Portfolio automatically rebalanced my investments to keep performance stable. Midweek, I explored its insights section, which analysed trends and explained why certain assets were performing better. It didn't just show numbers, it taught you how to interpret them. By day 7, the shocking truth hit me. This wasn't a passive tracker. It was an active investment coach. Smart Portfolio gives you control while guiding you towards smarter financial decisions. If you've struggled with maintaining balance in your investments, this app makes diversification easy and automatic the way it should be.